Drink a meal with the kick.
What's up? Welcome back, guys, to all the Filipino viewers out there. Mabuhay from Australia. Thanks for tuning in. We're at Nudgee Beach just before work and doing a photo shoot. So stay tuned and let's see what we come up with. My brother, who's holding the camera, pointed at this log. And he said, I challenge you to make a photo. So I've accepted that challenge and let's see what we can do.
What idiot runs around the mangroves in the morning?
Me. Make a pretty photo. So what I've seen is, as the sun's coming up in through these mangroves, you've got little sun rays coming through all the leaves and that. So what I want to try and do is get a nice little photo of the sun rays and seeing if I can play with it on the Lightroom and get some nice photos, because one thing I have done and I've always wanted to get was a really nice sun ray photo. I've got one you will see on the page if you jumped on my Facebook page. Is I was going to Baxter's Falls and I've got a nice rainforest gorge with the sun coming through, and I've got a couple of nice rays, but it just always intrigues me. So I just want to try and get this photo, get a nice looking one, and yeah, hopefully put it up. So I've got this tree here that I'm going to take a photo of. The only issue that I've got, because the sun's come up and there's such a big vast blue area behind, the light's reflecting on it and it's blowing out my photo, because if I bring down the exposure to deal with that, my foreground, all the interest in the ground in front of my camera becomes too dark and you can't see it. So the only way I can combat this by making it work is putting a graduated ND filter on just along the horizon to reduce the glare in the exposure time there, and then I can expose for the foreground. So what I'm thinking is I might use my 3-stop hard grad, just because I wanted it to be a bit more abrupt with the thing. I don't want it to be soft, I want it to be really punchful.
Yeah, sure.
A good tip to do is get into a habit of making sure that you clean your lens, clean your all your things before you put them on. That way when you get into processing, you don't have any little spots on your photo. So this is just the hard grad. I'll put the bottom of the hard grad here on the horizon just so that it doesn't bleed into the ground.